Hi, all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we will be doing a little bit of physics, review of the chapter. Which chapter? Light. Understanding light. This is basically done for sixth grade ICSE physics, but even CBSE or state syllabus kids can enjoy this. It's not only limited to sixth grade, even fifth, fourth, eighth, ninth can definitely enjoy the content of this video. All right. So moving on, let's understand what is light. If you go by textbook definition, right? Light is a form of energy that helps us to see the world around us. Correct? Now, whatever we see, the sun, moon, the star, the furniture, the classroom, the board, the book, the food, yeah, everything is visible because of light. Okay? And the visibility also. Oh, yen maga, I say tumba sharp. It is sharp because there is good visibility, right? That's all. Yeah. And the second point is it always travels in straight line. Just because my school is in next bend or the curve or the U-turn doesn't mean that okay, come, we'll take you to school, we'll take a bend over. No, it always travels in straight line, no matter what it is. Yeah, it's like a strict teacher, your math teacher, which always follow the rules. Okay. And it bounces off the objects. That's the reason why you can see yourself in the mirror, right? And makes everything bright and colorful. Yeah. So think light as a nature's magic trick, just that there's no abracadabra, there's only rules for light. Okay. So here's a story of a kid, Sunny, and talking torch. Now, what happens is once this guy, this kid Sunny, right? He went to his grandfather's house or grandmother's house or at his own house during vacation. He was cleaning his attic, and suddenly he found an old torch. And you know what? It was a talking torch. If it was me, I would have ran away, thinking it is a Mata Mantra torch. But Sunny, being a brave kid like you, let's see what he did with that. So what the torch said was, "Hey Sunny, I'm Torchy. Want to learn about light?" Sunny says, "Yes, Torchy, teach me." So the first step is, or the first rule of light is, light travels in straight line. Alright? What Torchy did is it shined the beam of light across the room, maybe something like this. It did like this across the room, and then it just formed a straight line. It went everywhere in a straight line. Yeah. And Torchy said, "See, Sunny, this is what it is. They always travel in straight line. That's the reason why shadows have clear edges. Else it would have been like your shadow would have looked like a dinosaur." Right? Now, what our Sunny did, being a curious kid like you, he just grabbed an Amazon parcel box, a delivery box, and he cut open a small hole and put a torch below that. And he also proved that the light actually travels in a straight line. It actually beamed out from the hole. Correct? So it actually travels like a straight line. And even Sunny said this is the same. Lights, like a strict teacher, always follow the rules. Then they went for the Torchy took him for the next step, a reflection, which is bouncing light. When light falls on the mirror, it bounces the image and you can see yourself on the mirror. Right? That is called a reflection. And what it says is the lights bounces off smooth surfaces like mirror. Correct? There's nothing much about it. It's all about why you are able to see it, not because you have eyes to see it, but it's also the light bouncing your image back to you. That's all. Now there's another thing called a refraction, which is called a magic bend. I want you guys to do this exercise at home. Yeah. Take a glass tumbler, the transparent glass tumbler, not the steel lota at home. Take a transparent glass tumbler, fill 3/4 of it, and insert a straw or a spoon also for that matter. You can see the straw or a spoon, right? It looks bent. It actually looks from here. It looks like a cut open from here. Means this will be in one direction. This will be in another direction. Yeah, not this bend. This is some other bend. Yeah. So what is it? It actually says light bends when it passes from one medium to another, something like air to water. All right. Do this exercise by yourself and you'll find it very interesting. Now, next is dispersion, the rainbow fun. What Torchy did is it took out a prism and it told Sunny to hold it in front of the light. When light passes through prism, right, it splits into different colors. So what they say is when light actually doesn't have any color for that matter, not white, black, brown. Yeah, light is light. But when passes through prism, it's actually made of all the colors. Yeah, the Vibgyor as we call. Yeah, and this is what it reflects. It actually splits the prism actually splits the light into different color. Now, what we learned, boys, very simple, right? Light travels in straight line. It bounces off surface, something called as a reflection. It bends when it passes through different medium, something called as a refraction. And it splits into colors. Light split into colors, which is called dispersion. And Torchy said, light is pretty amazing, yeah? Sunny, yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Torchy. Now, there are a few practice questions which Torchy has given you guys. Just try to understand what happens when light hit mirror. Why does a straw look bent in glass water? And how is a rainbow formed? And couple of tips, do this exercise. Use a flashlight to experiment with shadow, mirror, and prism. And always ask why things look the way they do. It's not only key to learning, it's also your understanding. Yeah, learning and understanding both are the same. What I'm telling. And since you guys are all relaxing, right, during Christmas holidays, I want you guys to create one mini rainbow at home with a glass of water and a flashlight. Shine the light through the water on a white wall and watch the magic happen. Let me know how this came out, or you can just send me a small video of it. WhatsApp me that on my number. You guys all know my number still. It's 831-071-3927. Just WhatsApp me your experiment and let me see how it goes. So that's about it, guys. I still would want you guys to enjoy your holidays, but keep watching these videos every now and then. Okay.